Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Does Novo work with Apple Pay? Before I get into the answer, let's talk a little bit about what Novo is. Novo is a neobank that offers a range of financial products, including checking accounts, debit cards, and business banking. One of the biggest benefits of using Novo is that it doesn't charge any overdraft fees or monthly fees. Now, back to the question at hand, does Novo work with Apple Pay? The answer is yes. Novo is compatible with Apple Pay, so you can use your Novo debit card to make payments in stores, online, and in apps. Here's how to set up Apple Pay with your Novo debit card. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the plus button to add a new card. Select Debit from the list of card types. Enter your Novo debit card information. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Once you've set up Apple Pay, you can use it to make payments in a variety of ways. Here are a few examples. Hold your iPhone or iPad near a contactless payment terminal. Use the Apple Pay app to make online purchases. Use your Apple Watch to pay for things on the go. In addition to being compatible with Apple Pay, Novo also offers a number of other features that make it a great choice for banking. For example, Novo offers a free checking account that comes with unlimited transactions and no overdraft fees. Novo also offers a business banking account that includes features like invoicing, expense tracking, and accounting tools. Overall, I think Novo is a great option for anyone who is looking for a modern, convenient, and affordable banking solution. If you're considering using Novo, I highly recommend checking out their website or talking to a customer service representative to learn more about their products and services. Now that I've answered the question about whether or not Novo works with Apple Pay, let's talk about some of the other benefits of using Novo. As I mentioned earlier, Novo offers a free checking account that comes with unlimited transactions and no overdraft fees. This can be a great option for people who are on a tight budget or who don't want to worry about getting charged overdraft fees. Another benefit of using Novo is that it offers a number of features that can help you manage your finances. For example, Novo offers a budgeting tool that can help you track your spending and save money. Novo also offers a bill pay feature that can help you pay your bills on time and avoid late fees. If you're looking for a banking solution that offers a lot of features and benefits, I highly recommend considering Novo. With its free checking accounts, no overdraft fees, and range of features, Novo is a great option for people of all ages and income levels. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Novo or Apple Pay, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and other topics.